with the equations of straight lines topic, we went over lines that are perpendicular, right? And we said the rule was two lines that are perpendicular, the gradient of one will be the negative reciprocal of the gradient of the other. Yeah, so it was m times minus 1 over m equals 1. You're basically going to use that rule in circles as well. So when you have two lines that bisect perpendicular, let's say this is L1 and L2. Let's say this gradient is m1. This one is going to be 1 over m1. Yeah? So let's say this was 2. This is going to be minus a half. Okay. You're going to apply that, but with a circle. So, that question. If you think you can do it, pause the video, give it a shot. If not, that's fine. I will go through it with you. It says the line segment AB is a diameter of the circle center C, where A and B are minus 1, 4 and 5, 2 respectively. The line L passes through C and is perpendicular to AB. Find the equation of L. So here's my graph. Here's my circle. A is going to be somewhere, let's say here, minus 1, 4. And B is going to be somewhere there, let's say 5, 2. I know it doesn't seem like it, but let's run with it. So this is B and that's A. And it's a line segment, so it goes across. The center of that is going to be somewhere here, and we're going to call that C. It says the line L passes through C. So something like that. This is L. Is perpendicular to AB. So that's perpendicular. Now here's what I want you to do. I want you to find the gradient of AB. Start with that first. So to work out the gradient, you're going to do y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So 4 minus 2 over minus 1 minus 5, which is 2 over minus 6. So the gradient is minus a third. That's the gradient of AB. So what would be the gradient of L? 3, because you do the minus reciprocal of it. Okay, so now, knowing that it passes through the point C, can you work out the equation of L, please? So C is the center of the circle. So you want to work out the center of the circle by working out the midpoint of AB. Midpoint of AB. So to work out the midpoint of AB, you're going to do x1 plus x2, so 5 plus minus 1 all over 2, and then 2 plus 4 all over 2. So your midpoint is 2, 3. And this is the coordinates of C. You now have the coordinate or a coordinate on the line L. You have the gradient. Now you can work out the equation. y minus y1 equals mx minus x1. So y minus 3 equals 3x minus 2. We're using 2 and 3 because that's the coordinate that is on L. Minus 1, 4 is not on L. 5, 2 is not on L, so we can't use those coordinates. Okay, so y minus 3 equals 3x minus 6. So the equation is 3x minus 3. And there you go. That's how you work with perpendicular bisectors in circles.